Hello children. Before going to start the lesson, let me ask you some introductory question. How many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We had already learnt up to 4th parts of speech, that is verb. And today we are going to learn the 5th one. But before that, let me test your previous knowledge. What is an adjective? Yes, it is a describing word which tells about the size, shape, number, color and quality of a noun or pronoun. Then the next, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. Now, find out the action word or verb from the following sentences. Shravani reads loudly. She is eating now. She plays there. She wrote this sentence thrice. And the first one, which is the action word? Yes, read is the action word. Good. Then in second one, which one is the action word or verb? It is the action word or verb. And in third and fourth one, play and wrote are the action words respectively. Now, look at the first sentence. It describes how does Shravani read? Isn't? Means how does the action of reading is done? She reads loudly. Okay. Then the second sentence describes when the action of eating is done. She is eating now. Okay. The third sentence describes where the action is done. The action of playing is done there. Okay. Then the last sentence shows how often the action of writing is done. It is done thrice. So now come to the point. When the word describes how, when, where and how often an action is done called adverb. So here you can make a difference between adjective and adverb. How? Remember, the describing word of a noun or pronoun is called adjective, isn't? But the describing word of a verb or action is called adverb. Clear? Now we are going to talk about the types of adverb. Here are 4 types of adverbs. First, adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and the last one, adverb of number or frequency. So let's describe about adverb of manner. It tells how the action is done. Examples: well, badly, fast, slowly, etc. The next, adverb of time. It tells when the action is done. Examples: today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, etc. The next, third one, adverb of place. It tells about where the action is done. Examples: here, there, in, out, inside, outside, far, near, etc. Then the last one, adverb of number or frequency. It tells about how often an action is done. Examples: once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, always, sometimes, never, etc. Here we are going to discuss the formation of adverbs from adjectives. Most of the adverbs end in ly, like bad, badly, bold, boldly, correct, correctly, nice, nicely. But if you get an adjective ends with l, it take double ly with its adverb, like actual. In adverb actually, here we use double l, actually, actually. Like that, beautiful, beautifully, equal, equally, real, really. Then next, if an adjective ends with y, replace y with ily, like dry, dryly, easy, easily, angry, angrily, happy, happily. Clear? The following 4 adverbs end with e. Here you have to replace e with ly, like able, ably, gentle, gently, humble, humbly, true, truly. Okay, so remember the spelling. Then the following adverbs are different from the general one, like fresh, afresh, lone, alone, good, well, loud, allowed, new, anew, first, first. No change. Clear everyone? Okay. Then it's time for test your knowledge. Pick out adverbs and name them. First question. She will be here soon. I will arrive soon. They often go out for dinner. Is that your book there? I have heard this before. She dresses beautifully. Let's open the box and see what is inside it. She works fast. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. She never tells a lie. The morning air blew gently in the garden. Okay, children, that's all for today. Try to text your answer in the comment box. Okay, keep learning. Thank you.